there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Mystery from K-pop Demon Hunters in his demon form. So first we're going to get started with the hat. We're going to start over on the left hand side, curving this all the way over and down on the right. Starting back on the side, we're going to curve this through and in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same as we come over and in from the right hand side. Now for the top of the hat, let's draw a diagonal line coming up towards the top. And then we're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. Stepping down, replicating that shape one more time. Now we're going to draw on the tassel that comes down from the hat. So we're going to start on the left and right hand side, drawing in a nice big circle. We're going to line that up at the same height on the right hand side. We're going to come further in now with this circle. So we're going to draw in another circle as we come down on a diagonal. Again, lining that up at the same height as the one on the right. And then as we move in towards the middle, we're going to draw in our final circle. And now let's join these together. So on the inside, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up, connecting this to the hat, stepping over, doing that one more time. Now as we come in, we're going to curve this across and through towards that circle on the side. Stepping down, replicating that. And then lastly, just connecting this in the middle. Now let's draw in the hair. So as we come down in the center, we're going to curve this across towards the left. From that point, bringing this around and through towards the top. Let's step over on the right, arching that out, and then back in towards the top. We're going to come over on the right, curving this line across, extending this underneath our tassel here, curving that back in, and then following this through, curving that up. Let's come back over on the left now, arching this over, bringing that up and in, and then just continuing that line across. Let's continue to draw in the hair now, so coming out on the left, bringing that back in, and then one more time, curving this up, down, and through towards the top. We'll do the same on the right, curving this out, down, up, and in towards that corner. And then one last time, we're just going to curve this out and down. Let's close off the brim of the hat, arching this through towards the middle. Now let's draw on the nose. So coming right in the center, we're going to draw in an arch line in the middle. For the mouth, let's draw in a small bracket, and then we're just going to curve this line over and across. Let's draw in some of the demon marks on the face now. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the left. We'll bring this line up, curving this over underneath the hair. Let's arch this line up, back down on the right. Let's come over to the right hand side now. We're going to draw in a diagonal line coming across. We'll do the same thing, leaving a gap, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that joins at a point in the center. Let's come out now, drawing in another straight line coming down. We'll draw in a diagonal line joining at a point, just replicating the line on the inside. Now let's draw in some more of the hair. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line out and in, out, back in. We're going to get slightly smaller as we do this 2 more times. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this out, back in, out, back in. Let's do this again, making that slightly smaller as we come through. Now let's come down and we're going to draw in the hands being clasped together. So we're going to start on the top here, curving this down, arch this over. We're going to curve this back through towards the inside. On the left hand side, arching this line down. We'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the palm of the hand, curving this in. We'll do the same thing on the right. And then now from here for the inside of the cloak, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides, joining that line together. Now on the top from that point, we're going to curve this across on both sides. Let's draw the arms bent. So we're going to start from that corner, bringing this around and in towards the chin. Now in the center for the shirt, drawing in a curved line from left to right. We're going to come over from the inside now, arching this across. And then from that point, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the elbow. Let's draw in the legs now. So we're going to curve this line down in the middle. On both sides, let's draw our diagonal lines coming across. Closing off the pants, we're going to curve this line through on both sides. And then from here, just drawing in another straight line coming in towards the bottom of the cloak. Now we're going to curve this around and down for the shoe. And then from the inside, curving this across. And that is it. That's how you draw Mystery from K-pop Demon Hunters in his demon form. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.